Yeah, like our tagline says, she opens her arms to the poor and extends her hands to the needy. So that's basically my mandate, is to buy beautiful things from Madagascar, because there are beautiful things here, make them available to Manitobans, and then reinvest that money to improve the lives of the people who don't have access to quality resources that help to improve not only individual lives but communities and hopefully the country. When you buy a basket or a blanket or an ornament or a bike, you are providing a job for hundreds of people in Madagascar, but also resources for underprivileged people in Madagascar also to improve their lives and move forward.